Today, we're looking at how you can help your customers visualize the experience that they will get from you through social media. So this is Katie Rose Florist, and she does some absolutely stunning bouquets, and she uses Instagram very much to kind of showcase what she does. And one of the great things that she did was actually using someone else's, basically their end product. So the wedding flowers in action, if you like. So this is the happy couple here. And she is showing the stunning flowers in all their glory. You can see how beautiful they look, and obviously how stunning the bride looks. It shows it at the venue, so it's in all the different places that really shows off the bouquet, the flowers, the buttonholes, all that kind of thing, to show, I guess, like what kind of experience you would get if you were to get married with a bouquet like that. So it helps you visualize what you would want for your own wedding. And it boosts the amount of people who may actually use them for their own wedding by actually showing them in this light. So that is all about working closely with the venues, working closely with the photographers, making sure that, you're all swapping details and you're tagging in. And that's exactly what they've done. So they've said, our wonderful bride and groom, Eleanor and Reese at the lovely, and then they've put the venue, which they've tagged in. And then they've also tagged in the photographer as well. And then, as you can see, everybody's responded back. People love it. And as you can see, the husband and wife have also written back saying, "You're amazing. Thank you so much," as well. So it's just really, really beautiful. And it really shows, I guess, what kind of experience people would get if they went for it. Now, if I was these guys, what I would want to do is ensure that I was, engaging with photographers, suppliers, wedding venues, event planners, that kind of thing. So I would go to Maybe and go to groups, and I would create a group. So I would put in things like that photographer, the wedding venue, it might be bridal shops, anything like that. And then when you add in a group, basically you click on the group like I've done here with Say Florists. And then within here, you would start to see all of their most recent posts. And once you've done that, you can like, you can engage, you can even reshare their posts if you think it would be something valuable for your customers. And ultimately what that does is it means you're always front of mind for your suppliers, always front of mind for these groups of people who ultimately you can network with, who you can share customers with. Now, as always, if you've got any questions, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.